ClickUp versus Notion versus Trello. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which one is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. So let's break them down point by point so you can choose the right productivity tool. Number one is their features. ClickUp is an all-in-one project management platform with tasks, docs, goals, and even built-in whiteboards. While Notion focuses on flexibility, you can create custom databases, pages, and wikis, making it great for knowledge management. And Trello keeps it simple with Kanban boards, perfect for visual task tracking but lighter on advanced features. Number two is their collaboration tools. ClickUp offers real-time editing, in-task comments, and built-in chat, while Notion supports collaborative editing on pages and databases, with the ability to mention teammates, while Trello allows card-level comments and attachments, but for advanced collaboration, you will need the power-ups. Number three, ease of use. Trello wins in simplicity. Its a drag and drop boards are friendly and beginner friendly, while Notion has a small learning curve due to its flexibility. And ClickUp with its vast feature set, it can feel overwhelming at first. Number four, pricing. ClickUp's free plan is generous, and paid plan starts at $7 a month, while Notion also offers a strong free plan with a personal pro at $8 per month. And Trello's free version works for small teams, and the premium starts at $5 per month per user. Lastly is their integrations. ClickUp integrates with over 1,000 apps, while Notion connects to popular tools via API, and Trello offers numerous power-ups for app connections. So for final verdict, if you want an all-in-one powerhouse, you can go with ClickUp. But for flexible content creation and databases, you can go for Notion. And for simple project tracking, you can go for Trello. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.